Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video we're going to do the unboxing of his and hers Target boxes, beauty boxes. So I'm going to do the men's because I've never seen any of the men's unboxings before, and I got one for my husband once before, like around Christmas, and the men's smells really good. I don't know what's in here, but it smells amazing. Now, they also include a $3 coupon for any personal care purchase of $15 or more. And it could be for shaving, oral care, soap and body wash, or deodorant. So that's there. Then it comes like this, pretty much like the women's, with a little tissue paper. So the first thing that's in there is Dove Men Care Extra Fresh soap. And this is what smells really, really yummy. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. So this is supposed to be extra fresh moisturizing cream. And it's a face and body bar. So this is one of the things that's in there. And it looks like it's a normal size bar of soap, I think. Okay, and then it brings a Men's Degree Ultra Clear deodorant. So that's nice because it's not gonna leave you know, the white mark. So let me see. I don't think it has any scent. Oh no, I'm always dropping things, guys. Always, always, always. It's like Butterfingers. Let me see if it says if it's black and white, 48 hours, aluminum, zirconium. It doesn't say that it's unscented, but I didn't smell anything. Okay, then it also brings a Method Men Cedar and Cypress body wash. That sounds yummy. That smells really, really good. So this is, you know, a nice sample, but definitely not full size. The Nivea Men Cream Face, Body, and Hands. So this must be like a balm kind of thing. I don't want to open it because it's got the little tin. But I'm sure it's for dry hands and things like that. So this is nice. And Cremo Body Wash, Blue Cedar and Cypress. This is a deluxe sample also. It smells really, really good. That smells really good. So a couple of baths, I guess. Not much there. And then Allspice pomade. And is this for hair? Sounds like an old-fashioned, let me see. Directions: rub a small amount in hands and work throughout damp hair, damp or dry hair. So yeah, Allspice is such an old brand, isn't it? Doesn't have a lot of scent. It's a little scented, but not much. So that's all that was in the box. So I definitely like this. This smells really amazing. I think the deodorant is nice, and it's a nice brand, Degree. And this smells really, really, really good. Now, I don't know if my husband would use this. He might, but I may end up with this. And the body wash. This is nice for travel. So that was his box that he doesn't know that he has. I haven't shared it with him yet. And now we're going to open mine. So again, it comes with a $3 coupon, and this one's good for cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. And it comes with the same kind of tissue. And this fell out. This is Tresemme, and this is Repair and Protect Instant Recovery Mask with biotin. So this is for the hair, so this is always nice. This is probably not for a couple of times for me because I don't have long hair, and this should be good. So this will be nice, like after you go in a pool or something. I always like to do extra moisturizing on my hair because pool water is so rough. Okay, so the first thing that I got is Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. So it says fair trade. Ingredients. And this is supposed to be for problem skin. So let me see if I can smell it. It does have one of those little things, but I'll open it even though I already have a body scrub in the bathroom, but that's okay. I can't really smell it. Let me see if I can pull a little bit out. I'm afraid it's gonna just, nothing's coming out. Oh, it's got another little plastic thing in there. Huh, my tool. I do lots of things with knives. Nothing dangerous, but that is my tool of preference. So it is, it's gray, and it does have the little scrubby, not a lot, and it doesn't feel super scrubby. I don't know if it's gonna soap up. It looks like it might, but it's okay. It's not heavily scented. It has a very, very slight scent. It's not anything that if you don't like scents, it's gonna bother you. Okay, the next thing is by Hask, and is coconut dry shampoo. And long lasting, oil absorbing. I really don't have oily hair, but I'll still use it. I don't use a lot of dry shampoo, but sometimes it's nice if, sometimes I wake up a little late in the morning and it's a day that I really do need to wash my hair. So I just spray a little bit of this, especially on the top, and it does give you some body and stuff, so I'll use it, even though it says for oily hair. Then I have the Acure Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. And I have so many facial scrubs. I think I'm going to pass this one over. I'm not going to, it does have a seal, and I'm not going to take it off. I have too many of them. So I think I will give it to my daughter, and I'm sure she'll appreciate that. She likes, she gets Ipsy, and she gets Mom's Beauty Box, because Mom likes to share with her. And this is Whitening Strips, which is the Up and Up, which is the Target brand, and it brings 6 strips, so I guess for three uses, because you get one on for the top and one for the bottom. So this will be nice. I'm going to try this. It says compares to Crest 3D White, no slip white strips, classic vivid. So I'm going to try this for sure. Then I am excited about this. This is a Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. This sounds like fun. And is there a scent? Soft silky skin with powerful B5. It says it's new, but I don't see a scent. Let me make a huge mess on my hand now. Oh no, I did good. Oh, it smells good. It does come out like a foam. It smells really good. Very, very nice. It smells kind of powdery, like a baby powder kind of, but it's very, very pleasant. I like that. And then I have a jelly, excuse me, night relaxing jelly eye sheet mask. So that definitely looks like fun. I would love using masks. Any kind of mask, whether it's a sheet mask or whether it's one that you just rub on your face. So I definitely do enjoy this. So I think this is pretty good for $7. Now, if you're interested, you need to go to Target.com. Then under, search, put Beauty Box. It may still be available, because I did mine like a week ago. Once you do it once, then anytime it's up, they'll send you an email letting you know that there is a Beauty Box available. Sometimes they have more than one choice. Like a couple of months ago, they had 3 different ones that you can pick from. They don't always have the men ones. They probably feel like men don't really buy those. So usually it's women's. They usually have 1 or 2 choices. This month they had 2 different choices you can pick from. And I looked at the products that were in it, and I thought this one would be better than the other one. Then once you sign up for it once, they'll go ahead and send you an email whenever they come up, but they do go pretty fast. I was actually surprised that I was able to get it, because I received an email like the week before and I never acted on it. So it's not something that you can subscribe and they'll normally send it to you. So it's $7 whenever you purchase. It was $7 for the men's and $7 for the women's. But I definitely do think that you get your $7 worth. Many times they'll put a blush in there, or I've gotten mascaras, lipsticks, you know, any other brands that you can find at Target. So you definitely do get your money's worth. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Sign up to my channel if you have not signed up yet. And I will see you soon on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.